Gear up for the ultimate biking experience on the 1st of Feb as JN Suzuki presents the Riding Fest. Come be a part of the sporty riders.
Hakajing persang ke sarkar jilla ban kentiu ya kajing sakri hakakot ke khia bat ban penti kena bagi pat ba kinyo kajing Sumar ke babha ke bapaka Menteri rang ba ke jilla konrad ke sangma haka arpusal teri ukulan kot araja arpusan ula pli pat ba ya ke first referral unit FRU Ranikor Community Health Center Southwest Khasi Hills District. Haka negasi lai don lang da ke menteri ke kot ke khia ke kong amperin lingdo UMLA ke mau keruat uba renekten lingdo tongkar UMLA ke Ranikor uba pius marwen nalor kiwe-kiwe. Haba ajing kran hakari kasngi Menteri rang ba ulaang babon kibriyo kila hab ban pelut ya kapor bat kabor ban lecha Sumar Saki Hospital Kiba Jngai bat lingba ke jingwan ra ekane ka first referral unit kan yara ban weng ya kita kijing e ulapan paru ke jing sngongo iki doktor bat kinas kibala trai shitam haki jaka bat don jing e kumharani kor bat kiwei de ki jaka nong kendong.
Well, this is a great step forward. So I'll get the quarters also done. Then we'll work on this.
What is sir was mentioning? So we should actually get the proposals and help the generic things. For the elections, Myntoi has some specialties. Makro some specialties. So from PSC also we can take for referral transportation. But he's also talking about not only referral transportation for the transportation.
He's talking about local transportation. Like from the village, just to be able to come here for any kind of medical thing.
Sir, today, sir, CBSMS program.
The Ranikor CHC, where we have just inaugurated the first referral unit out here in the Ranikor CHC. And as you can see behind me, that the operation theatre right here, this has been upgraded, and now all the facilities required to carry out most of the operations, the facilities are available right here in Ranikor CHC. Apart from the operation theatre, the labour room and other equipments for different kind of investigation have also been upgraded, and this is part of our efforts to strengthen our rural infrastructure, especially in terms of health, because we've seen that people have to travel long distances to avail basic health facilities. They have to travel sometimes 5-6 hours, which could be the difference between life and death for some of them. So therefore, we are very happy that these kind of facilities are coming out throughout the state, and this is another example of our commitment to strengthen our health services throughout the state. And I must congratulate the entire health department for the initiative that they have taken, whether it's the directors, our Principal Secretary, our Minister, all of them. I would like to congratulate them for the great achievement. I also would like to thank our doctors and nurses who have been placed here and are providing dedicated service. It is not always easy to be in interior locations and providing the kind of service that they do, but their dedication, sacrifice and their commitment to their work, and more important to the people of the state, is something that I would like to give my sense of appreciation to them, and I wish them the very best, and once again thank the entire health department for the excellent work that is taking place in the department. Thank you.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing Myntoi ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.